Hey guys, this is your boy Dr. Rebels Games, and welcome to Happy Wheels. Well, today we are going to let me put this on full screen. But first, so you guys can hear it, and hear all the epicness of Happy Wheels. We're gonna be playing Happy Wheels today, like usual. So, we're going to be doing a demo of Mortal Kombat X on Happy Wheels. Let's see it. Welcome to the Mortal Kombat X Crazy Level.
Oh
Oh
no! Damn it!
Mild profanity and gore. Just for warning you guys.
No!
Actually, there's going to be major gore. Ice, huh? Ice to beat ya. I remember I used to always play Mortal Kombat X. Turn it down, Chris! He's listening to copyrighted music, so you have to understand. Alright, next level. Today we're going to be testing out pogo fight levels. So, yeah, let me just do this really quick. For the pogo fight, we're going to be doing these. So we're going to be doing these like levels right here. And, hold on. I'm just warning you. Hold on. I just have some bad language in it. Billy. I mean Timmy. Oh.
Oh!
As I said,
Oh my God!
these levels will contain major gore.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Just straight up nasty. Next attempt 2. Hold on. I'm just hold on. Oh. Hold on, one more. Let's go on to the gameplay. I'm gonna eat a goldfish. I mean, like you see this. Hang on. I'm gonna have 2 put in my mouth.
Save me!
No!
Ah! Oh!
Janet is indestructible, buddy. next level. I'll even use this the option. Remember, I played Pogo Fights before. This is just Pogo Fights. No matter, like, yes. Ah! Good, right? You know. And go subscribe to this guy. Shout out to Spyro Rot 11. I'm linking his YouTube channel, luckily. Yeah, so go follow Spyro 2 Rot 11 in his YouTube channel. It's supposedly the best. That's what the developer says, at least. He's the enemy to the cultural revolution of the Pogo Stick Man. It's Timmy and his father. Right? Ah! Oh my god, that doesn't even work. I'm all out. Alright, next level, man. It's fun. Everyone's dead. How interesting. Difficult? I'm not good at this stuff. Pretty sure this is possible.
Oh, damn it!
Oh, well, this is a good thing. Control S. Inappropriate. This is a kid-friendly Minecraft channel. What? Oh, it's my ex. Good. She got impaled. That's good. Take that, Lily. Yeah, I'm gonna restart this all. I mean, I can say those things about my ex-girlfriend. Just because she doesn't watch my videos. That's because she is. Ha! He got stabbed more than me. See if the cannon boy. Sorry, both ways to win, but first we're gonna try the easy way to win. Bam! Here's spleen with that Pogo guy. Definitely me. If you guys are out of school because of the snow, then you guys go to my school. We are out of school because of snow. Why is the cannon light? No! Okay, fine, I'll fight the ninjas. This be attempting. Oh, how the noobs way to win later. Because we're ninjas, okay? Yay! Ha! Take that, ninja. Ha! You just killed yourself, ninja. Well, ninja, fair game. You stabbed me. Twice, but Titan, no! Titan's completely unbeatable. The trash, dude, yeah. Whoa! Holding on to some grip. Nearest hospital at the end. He just killed a fellow. He also killed a fellow ninja. The thing. I didn't kill the ninja, I just knocked him over. Alright. So then we're gonna do one last level. Let's just get to that. Okay, so we're playing with Crafty Billy. Let's replay that really quick. Nothing, Dad. What's up? This is like so weird. Oof. Yeah, confusing, right? I'm just gonna attempt this again. A mom and her kids adventure. I should wonder where I've been. I'll walk it off, daughter. Let's try this one more time. Oh, it's not a catch on that one. Well, thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video.